Good morning. I'm here from Windy Fish Lake National Forest in Utah, and I'm camping with Melanie. I made her window covers. They're still asleep right now, and I should also be still asleep, but we had to get up and go to the bathroom, and we're just taking a look-see around. It's very windy, and I have my mic, but we came in last night, and it was very late, so I didn't film anything. Just pulled up, got our stuff ready, and sat around for a bit, and then went to bed. And I've got Mr. AC Boy. Hi, Mr. AC Boy. Hi. He's a good boy. I got medication for him. I'll have to tell you about the medication a little bit later. But last night when we pulled up, this stupid little side-by-side pulled up and pulled up right here. I was like, hello, hello, because I could hear him talking. I'm like, hello, are you camping here? Obviously they're not. And they're like, no, we're just getting cell phone signal. I was like, oh, okay, well, we just pulled up, so like, go away, basically. This is the spot that we found, and it worked out really well. It's very beautiful. It's kind of down there so people can't really see when they drive up. Wow, what a beautiful spot for the sunrise. What you doing? So anyway, I just wanted to say good morning for now, and I'm gonna go back in the car because it's ridiculously windy, and I guess it's gonna be like this all day. I'll check in with you later. You doing okay? Good boy? Are you a good boy? You're a good boy when you're medicated. We love medication. We love it. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a very good boy. It is 8 o'clock and I am hungry. I was a little worried about where I was gonna cook, but then I realized I can push my bed down and cook right here because everything is dirty and I didn't take my table out in time. So I just pushed everything away here, and this is where we're gonna cook. I mean, like, warm up. So what's on the menu? I've been seeing some people on YouTube eating this, and I want to know what all the fuss is about, so I got it. I'm gonna add some chicken to it. I guess I could add my other meat to it. And I'm gonna have some chorizo and a special drink. Jersey Cream, the perfect drink soda. There were some flavored sodas at Costco,
and I picked them up. So yeah, we're gonna do this. It says triple filtered, contains no milk, cream, or dairy. We're gonna have that. I'll put it back for now, and it'll be nice when I have my van, because it's easier out here to just cook on this. And look at these wipes I found at Costco. They're safe on skin. There's 100 in here and they're super tough. So I have those. And since I haven't mentioned it yet, okay, sorry about that. That's way better. Things look different. And that is because I am in a different spot and by myself with Ace. So what happened was, it was so windy, as you could see from that video. And it was going to stay windy until 10 o'clock that night. That's what the forecast was saying. My sister and I were both sleeping out of cars, and we don't have cover to cook in. And it was just kind of miserable. So we left. We got there that night, the night before, and it was a beautiful evening. We saw the stars, and we were just sitting around, and there's a campfire ban because of all the campfires, as I'm sure you guys know. But it was just going to be impossible to cook. I guess I could have cooked like this, but honestly, I didn't think about it. Where's my knife? I have my knife, but I don't see any extra Ziploc bags. So anyway, we were actually camped near where I camped when I got stuck in Capitol Reef. We were in Fish Lake National Forest, and I'm actually in Fish Lake National Forest again. I had no idea that this was Fish Lake. So we drove down to the overlook, but it was so smoky and hazy, like you couldn't really see anything. My sister's been wanting to go to Capitol Reef. Let's not burn the car down. And so she was able to see somewhat, but that would have been interesting to take that drive again. I don't know if this is going to be good. Sometimes these flavor sausages are just disappointing. Please don't knock over. I wonder if I should slice that open. So anyway, we were going to stay 2 nights. And my sister was doing food again. I made her window covers. We're just going to cut this. Oh, goodness. Smells good. We just want to slowly warm it up. So yeah, we left. So this is a continuation, a camping trip. And that seems to be the case with my camping trips lately. They start out pretty rough, or they end up pretty rough, like Memorial Weekend. But I'm going to camp another night, which will be a separate video. When I was getting ready for this trip, I could not find one of my window covers. And I am thinking that it might have blown away. I could have sworn that I got all 5 window covers, but I might not have. So I'm actually going to go back to the location we were and hopefully find the window cover. It's a long shot, but we were just there on Saturday and today is Wednesday. So hopefully that will maybe work out if it's there. Otherwise, maybe it's somewhere in my storage. I couldn't see where it is in the storage. And they took me a long time to make, so I'm pretty upset about it, but not as upset as I would be considering the van is coming and I'll have new window covers for that. Anyway, I'm going to let this warm up, then we'll come back and eat some dinner. Okay, I'm just wrapping up here. And I'm going to put this in a doggy bag. It has not been used, okay? And look at how fun it is. So that'll be fine. You have to improvise. Now we're gonna mix the salad. I'm just gonna turn this off. I don't know how much more fuel I have. I think my Coleman device will tell me on these types of canisters how much fuel I have. I can and I can't wait to get the van. I can wait because it's gonna be very expensive. very expensive. And I can't wait because of the space and actually having a place to cook. So let me do the dressing. Smells good. The dressing is lemony. And of course I ripped the bag. We're just gonna eat right here actually. Why the heck not? Should have got my table out. I haven't been bringing it with me, and I brought it, but it was under where the seats were moved. I tried to get it out, but it was too much of a hassle. AC boy already ate. He didn't eat right away though. Speaking of Ace, I went to the doctor and got him on medication, told them my needs and said, I don't want him like sedated, but I need him to chill out in the car. Anyway, long story short, I go pick up the medication and see what it is, and it's trazodone. If any of you are familiar with trazodone, it's kind of windy. Trazodone is an antidepressant for people, but they've discovered that it has a sedative effect. So it's prescribed off-label for sleep. And I actually am prescribed trazodone, 100 milligrams, which is 1 pill, for sleep and depression. Let me try this out. I love to add a bag of chicken in there. Ooh. Okay. I love the tang. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Okay. Let's give this a try. Let me see if it's a twist off. And it's naturally flavored and sweetened with cane sugar. Oh, yep. It is. It smells like a cream soda. It smells very sweet. Okay. Let's give it a try. Woo! My arm touched the pan. I have no idea what that tastes like. Kind of tastes like candy. It's definitely a cream soda. I can't place it. Have any of you tried this? It's like a candy kind of a flavor. It's good. I wouldn't buy this again, but it's good. Not as good as this salad. Hello. So I think I'm going to do a live stream soon. But by the time this video is up, I will probably have already done the live stream. Let's give this a try. See if I can cut it. I don't know. I think I needed to warm it up with some oil or something. Sorry, my sister called. Hopefully she doesn't call back. Definitely needs to be warmer, but it has a sausage flavor with the chorizo. Chorizo smoked chicken sausage. It is so good. It would be better a little bit more warmed up and melty with that cheese. I think there's cheese in there. It's got a really good kick. A really good kick. That might have been good in the salad. Woo-wee. Maybe with some, would have been good with like a sauce and some rice. Ooh, that's spicy. Uh-oh. Ace sees something. Ace! Uh-oh. Ace! He saw something, he was staring at something, and then now he took off. Okay, I gotta go check on that. Okay, he came back. That's really good, because I don't know what he saw. Coyotes, a fox. We don't need any of that. But you did such a good job coming back. So I'm going to give him a treat from his bark box. This is the jerky bar lamb recipe. Okay, that was a very, very, very good boy. Gentle. Good boy. That was a very good boy. What a good doggy you are. Thank you. That's so gentle too. So he was back by that tree back there. He was just standing there staring, and then he bolted. So luckily he came back. Here, one more. Good boy. You're very gentle. That's a good boy. No more for right now, okay? Oh, you're a very good boy. So Ace has a YouTube channel, but I just don't think I have the capacity to see to it with having 2 channels and trying to get those 2 to grow. So he has opened a couple bark boxes on video that I haven't posted, but I need to get a lemon dressing because this is so good. So where I am, I'm not very high in elevation and it's pretty warm. But where I'm going to go back to, it's over 9,000 feet, I believe. And there were so many people that kept coming to that turnaround to check their phones or whatever. It was a terrible, terrible spot. No wonder it was open. It's like every other place was open or taken. So I'm hoping that I can find my window cover. If it's there, I'm going to camp there in that area. Hopefully there's some availability, but this is very good. What a good dinner. So yeah, it's just too hot to stay here. And then buy a bunch of cow pies. Hopefully tomorrow morning when I head out of here, that cow is out of the water bale, whatever it is. Because from what it looked like there was a cow in there. So I'll stop and see. I don't know if I can help it get out or what, but we'll see. I'm going to finish my dinner. We're going to take a look at the pretty sunset, and then we'll check back in before we go to bed. It's going to be an early night for us, AC. You're staying with me, and if you don't stay with me, I'm going to tie you up. We are not messing around with that. I don't know if that could come pick up on the audio. Okay, I forgot to finish what I was saying about the trazodone. We're all ready for bed. It's showing up a lot lighter on camera than it is actually in real life. So the dose that the vet gave Ace for his trazodone was two pills. So I gave it to him like an hour before we left when I camped with my sister this past Friday, and it was not kicking in. And then today I gave it to him like 2 hours before we left, and it did help, and it did really, really, really help in the car. So there's really not like the whining, like the but all of a sudden he will just all of a sudden like just bark, dude. Ace, no. So coyote sounds are coming from over here and over that area where Ace ran towards. No, Ace! And it's 9 o'clock, so we're gonna go to bed. Everything's all ready and set up. So let me show you the window cover that I'm missing. I have my bear spray. So I have this, but it's this one. I have every other window but this one. So this is just a screen thing for the front window to, I don't know, kind of block it. Hopefully it won't distract Ace and he'll look outside the whole night. But anyway, so we're going to tuck her in for the night before it gets too dark and hope we don't have any issues with coyotes. See you in the morning. Good morning. We're leaving. We're leaving and we're driving by the water trough and there are cows in there. Do you think they can get out by themselves? I'm just going to go see. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm glad I could help. Yeah, it was a little bit of a rough night last night. I mean, my bed was comfortable, but I just was tossing and turning and just not really able to sleep very well. So, anyway, yeah, not such a great sleep. Tossing and turning. I did not give Ace medication because our next destination is 2 hours away, and that is where we will hopefully find my window cover. And if it's not there, hopefully it's buried in my storage somewhere, but I just had it out on Saturday and today is now Thursday, so we'll see. But anyway, hopefully I'm getting yelled at by Ace and the cows, but I'm glad that the cows survived in the water trough, and hopefully you'll stay tuned for my next video to see if I find my window cover and that is all. See you in my next video. Bye.